let's get down to brass tacks. We're talking about the DJI Air 4, and let me tell you, the rumor mill is churning like a drone in a hurricane. We've all been loving the Air series, right? That sweet spot of portability, performance, and price. But what's next? Is it going to be a game changer, or just a little nip and tuck? Let's dive in. You know how it goes. We're here to cut through the noise and get to the real deal. And with the Air 4, there's a lot of noise. So, let's talk about what we're hearing, what we're hoping for, and what we're a little worried about. First off, where are all these leaks coming from? Well, you know the usual suspects, industry insiders, beta testers, and sometimes just plain old accidental listings. But one name keeps popping up. Jasper Ellens. He's a big name in the drone community, and when he talks, people listen. And then there's Quadro News, another reliable source. Now remember, these are just rumors, but they've been pretty spot on in the past. Okay, let's talk about looks. Leaked images suggest DJI is sticking with that foldable design we all love. Makes sense, right? Portability is key, but we're seeing some refinements. Sleeker body, maybe more aerodynamic. That could mean better flight efficiency, especially in wind. And those stronger arms? That's a good sign, especially for those of us who fly in challenging conditions. Now there's a worry about weight. We don't want it getting too bulky, but DJI's always been pretty good at keeping things travel-friendly. And we're hearing it might share some design cues with the Mavic 4, which could mean a more polished look. Alright, camera time. This is where things get really interesting. The Air 3's dual camera was a big step, but the Air 4? We're hearing about larger 1-inch sensors for both wide and telephoto. That's huge for low-light performance and overall image quality. Larger sensors mean more detail, less noise, better dynamic range. And get this, a possible variable aperture. That's going to give us way more control over exposure. And a mechanical shutter? Now, that's a game changer. No more rolling shutter distortion. But here's the thing, all these fancy features, they're going to cost us, right? Will the Air 4 start creeping into Mavic territory? Now, a great drone isn't just about the camera, it's got to fly well. The Air 3 was solid, but the Air 4? We're hearing about a LiDAR-based obstacle avoidance system. That's going to be way more precise, especially in low light. And improved AI-powered tracking? Yes, please. Better transmission range and signal stability? That's always a good thing. But all this fancy tech, it's going to need power. Will it drain the battery faster? That's something we need to keep an eye on. Speaking of batteries, the Air 3's 46 minutes was already impressive. But we're hearing about 50 minutes for the Air 4. That's a big deal. More time in the air means fewer battery swaps. But a bigger battery means more weight, right? And what about a new battery system? If we have to buy all new batteries, that's going to be a pain. So when are we going to see this thing? If DJI sticks to their usual schedule, late 2025. And pricing. The Air 3 launched at $1,099. With all these upgrades, we could be looking at $1,200 or more. That's going to make some people think twice. Bottom line, the Air 4 is shaping up to be exciting. Bigger sensors, better obstacle avoidance, longer battery life. But there are still a lot of unknowns. Will the price be too high? Will the new tech live up to the hype? We'll have to wait and see. What do you guys think? Are you excited for the Air 4? Do you think it's worth the wait? Let us know in the comments. Let's talk about drones. And not just any drones. We're talking about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Yeah, that one. It's shaping up to be a real game changer, and honestly, the hype is real. DJI's been knocking it out of the park for years, and everyone's itching to see what they've cooked up for 2025. Leaks are flying, rumors are swirling, and expectations are sky high. So let's dive in and see what we can expect. Today, we're dissecting the leaks and rumors surrounding the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Is this going to be the drone that sets a new standard? Let's find out. First off, design. We're hearing whispers of a fresh look, maybe even taking cues from the Mini 4 Pro. More aerodynamic, improved stability, you know the works. And get this, some leaks hint at a redesigned rear section sitting slightly lower than the front arms. Optimizing balance, flight dynamics, it's all about efficiency. Now here's the really interesting part. A mysterious sensor on one of the propeller arms. LiDAR? Infrared? Nobody's quite sure. But the potential is huge. Enhanced obstacle detection, avoidance. And if it's positioned right, it could free up space for a more versatile camera gimbal, maybe even 90-degree tilt functionality. That's a game changer for structural inspections and getting those unique aerial perspectives. Speaking of cameras, this is where the Mavic 4 Pro is really going to shine. We're talking about a triple lens module, 24mm wide angle, 50mm mid-range, and 145mm telephoto. Unmatched versatility, switch between perspectives without swapping gear. And get this, vertical shooting. For TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, this is going to be a dream for social media creators. On the technical side, an f2.0 aperture for killer low-light performance. 6K recording at 50 to 60 frames per second, D-Log capabilities for pro-grade color grading. If these features make it to production, the Mavic 4 Pro is going to be a filmmaker's best friend. Now, battery life, a crucial factor. We're hearing about a larger battery and enhanced aerodynamics, pushing flight time up to 50 minutes per charge. That's a significant improvement. Less battery swapping, longer uninterrupted shoots. Real estate photographers, surveyors, this is going to be a huge time saver. DJI's always been at the forefront of drone intelligence, and the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to take things to a whole new level. Improved active track, enhanced subject tracking, even in complex environments. New autonomous flight modes, making cinematic shots easier than ever. And that mysterious sensor? It could mean even more refined obstacle detection and avoidance. So, when can you get your hands on this beast? Leaks suggest an April 2025 release. And the price? The base classic version might start around $2,800. And for the pros, a high-end Cine variant ranging from $4,000 to $5,000. Apple ProRes support, expanded internal storage, it's going to be a serious piece of kit. Let's compare it to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. Triple lens setup, 6K recording, f2.0 aperture, 50-minute flight time. Improved obstacle avoidance, autonomous flight. The Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a major upgrade, but of course, with that comes a higher price tag. Look, nothing's official yet, but all signs point to the DJI Mavic 4 Pro being a groundbreaking release. If these rumored improvements in design, camera tech, flight time, and intelligent features turn out to be true, this drone could become the new gold standard for aerial photography and videography. Professional-grade features in a compact, intelligent package. It's going to appeal to filmmakers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts alike. But remember, these are just leaks and speculation. We'll have to wait for DJI's official announcement for the full picture. As the rumored launch date approaches, more credible information is likely to surface. So stay tuned. And in the meantime, what do you think? Are you excited about the Mavic 4 Pro? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drone news and reviews.